yo. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, straight out of Jamaica, and we're back with another epic reaction right now. Yo, here with Beenie Man versus Bounty Killer clash memes. You understand? We all see everyone doing them and making them funny videos towards it. But you know me, I am the reaction boss. So guys, if it's your first time here, welcome to the most lit reaction channel from Jamaica, the most lit Jamaican reaction channel. We're trying to keep it as Jamaican as possible, but y'all know we're trying to expand. Anyways, we'll have some memes today from the clash that we're gonna react to real quick. And if you are new here, we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers, so please consider subscribing to the Reaction Boss channel and help me reach 10,000 subscribers, okay? We can do it. We can do it. What just happened there? Okay, yeah. We're just gonna pretend that didn't happen, right? Okay, let's get straight to this video right now. This first one was posted by the father. Verified channel. Let's see what's popping here. It says, when you see Rihanna join the live. Let's go.
Hold on. I just got to pick up Riri.
Yeah.
Live.
Yeah.
Riri.
Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. Typical Jamaicans. Once somebody famous join some, even me, if me I go live and I see somebody join my live, yo, we're famous, I we're known. Yo, baby, who that party live? Yeah. Typical Jamaicans, right? Let's go. Yo. Yeah. Beenie Man. Yeah.
She say wee wee. She say wee wee.
Whoa. Wait. Wee wee. You know what Jamaicans man call? Jamaican people call wee wee. Like when I want baby, what them call wee wee? Tell me. Wee wee. Hey then. What's a wee wee? We don't know. Let's go.
Yo. Bounty Killer alongside Beenie.
Wait, Bounty Killer alongside Beenie.
We do this. It's time to get wild. More. Beenie Man knocking out your front door.
That one was lit. That's lit. You see, I know this video was gonna be lit. Let's go. Let's continue some more, guys. Let's see what else we have here. This was posted by Selector Teacher Stars. Alright, let's see what this about. What's the caption? I don't see no caption. Okay, let's go.
Your business, everybody gone. Put up resistance.
Bad man. Kill him. I saw this one. I was like, why is he going? Why are you behaving so strong? Kill him, you bad man. Kill him. I know. I was like, wait, no caption right here. Hey! Oh my gosh, yo. This live was too lit. This was too lit, guys. Oh my gosh. Yo, I got to go back and watch it a second time. Let's go. Next up, we have, I don't know what's this for real. Alright, so this a must go pan history book. Alright. Sorry, Jamaican. This first one's called Cornbread J.A. Pan. Cornbread J.A. Pan. What? Anyway, this a must go pan history book. That's the caption. Let us see what's going on for this one real quick. Wait. Everyone's making meme about Beenie Man's belly. Like, I don't see it. No, I don't see it for real. Like, I don't see it. Yeah. When a girlfriend says she only want man who can dance, or when I meet a girl and says she only like talk to man who can dance. Yeah. When they say them only want man who can dance, you know, you understand me? Or them only want man who can dance. Yeah. Well, all right. When them only want man who can dance, when they only like guys that can dance. Let's go. You know see what Beenie Man I go out with? Beenie Man, you alright, bro, God? Let's go! This man look like you want to do some woman that. Beenie man, why look like you do some woman that like yeah shake something. Why for that? But I saw it look. I saw it look. That's how it looks, yo. Like, come on. Why did I do this video? Let's go.
Man, Beenie man, a bad man. Kill him.
Alright, we saw it already. Oh, this is like all of the dancing. Alright, that one was hilarious as well. I ain't gonna lie. Let's go though. We have a next. We have more. Well, I think we have more. Wait a minute. The Shade Room. This one was posted by the Shade Room. Why are y'all out here playing with hashtag Beenie Man like this? Hip Hop Harry. Alright, let's see you out here. Shade Room. Wow, this shit was really international. Let's go. Let's see what's popping.
Who's next?
Oh my god! Oh no! Oh shit! I can't laugh, yo. Yeah. Why they doing Beenie Man like that? Oh my god, some shady man. Oh my god, let's go. We have another one. World Dog. Right, Beenie Man a workout. Oh my gosh, let's see. Zaga, no. Oh my gosh, yo, these people are, y'all killing me with these, man. Like, Jamaican memes are actually, they're hilarious as hell, but it just funny, yo. We don't even call it memes in Jamaica. Maybe that's why I'm calling it memes right now, because I'm not at Jamaica, in Jamaica. DJ Academics. Next up, we got DJ Academics. Let's see what DJ Academics posted. And this one can go full screen. It's a whole minute. Okay, let's see what's popping right here.
Good evening, officer. How are you, sir?
Oh, they send the police them forward in that place.
Huh? Krista, everything good? All right, can we not do this right now? The world is watching us right now.
Hear the man at the background say, yo, I really listen to I'm not like Jamaica. Oh, this Beenie Man a twang. Hold on.
Can we not do this right now? We got 500,000 people watching
Deaf?
us right now. Oh,
Man, the police them know what going on.
that guy. Do you want to be this guy?
You want to be that guy?
You want to be that guy? Do you want to be that guy? Do you want to be that guy? Listen. Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, Bounty Killer head at you know. What's the bop class? What about it? Bounty Killer head cheap. What the ramp with Bounty for? Don't ramp with Bounty Killer.
People,
Police are here.
the police are here. But we're not stopping.
Oh my gosh, it's not even funny.
Before COVID-19,
Yeah.
it was murderers killing people. It was people killing people.
Yes, sir.
COVID-19 started killing people.
Yes, sir.
So we do this.
We do this. It's not funny. I get what he's saying, but you know me. I'm just reacting and being myself. But seriously, any of the police, them. Oh.
Stop. Killer, we're not going to make them disturb our thing. Killer, come back over here.
Yeah, you're not gonna make them disturb our thing. Them gone out that door. The pattern jumping back.
We get rid of them. Good evening.
You get read of them. Bumbleclee. Yo, that was like, yo, I ain't gonna lie, but this shit deserves crowning, bro. Let's go to the next one real quick. We need more minutes. Now we have, how do you pronounce that? I don't know. Style. Anyway, let's see what this one says. Last one, Bounty Killer, the king of clash. Okay. Oh, how I missed yesterday. Let's see what's popping right here.
It's y'all them.
Yeah.
I my girl named Sugar.
Yeah.
Tell them Luga. Right?
Yeah.
When they want so sweet up, then call Beenie.
Beenie.
When they want something beat up,
Deaf. Deaf.
anyway. It's y'all
When
them.
they want sweet up, them call Beenie. When they want something beat up, them call. Alright. We'll see if we have any more, guys. Yardman Ethan. That give me a phone, make sure Crystal don't see it. I can see what I go for that, but this is Beenie Man. What is this? Oh. They put a a stripper in front of the great Beenie Man doing his Beenie Man movements. Let's see how it went down. Oh my gosh! The person who did that needs to be locked up and charged. Like, look at the female. She's just embracing it. Look at her. Look at her. Yep. Walk it. Hey, this was trending. This started trending. This was trending in America earlier, but you tried trending in Jamaica. The coffin thing, yo, that's crazy though. Look at this. They put a whole. That's a nice way to end this off, y'all. That's a very nice way to end this video off. I hope you all enjoy my little reactions or whatever. And remember, guys, for the most lit music video reactions and a whole from a Jamaican, this is the right channel for you. So if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel and help me reach 10,000 subscribers. That's the aim, that's the goal for this year. And with God's help, we're gonna do it. And with your help, we're gonna do it. So please help me with Jamaican boy accent. Reach them little goal up on YouTube. As I say, yeah man, big up yourself. I'm out.